Okay, the rules of divisibility are actually pretty cool because it allows you to, a lot of times students will say, I wish I could do math in my head. And this is a quick way to see if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, all the way through 10. So I can take any number, like let's say 6,248. And I want to know if it's, so over here I'll do my divisible by 2. Well, it's divisible by 2 because it's even. So what do we mean by it's divisible by 2? When we divide by 2, we don't get a remainder. All right, then divisible by 3. This is actually a kind of a cool little trick. If you add all the numbers, so 8 and 2, 10, 6 and 4, 10, I get 20. If that is divisible by 3, which it's not, then the whole number is divisible by 3. All right, then we look to see if it's divisible by 4. As it says, we only look at the last 2 digits, 48, and they are divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 5? Only if it ends in 5 or 0. If it's divisible by 6 would be if it was divisible by both 2 and 3, and it's not. Divisible by 8 says we look at the last 3 digits, so the 2, 4, 8, and those are, because 8 will go into 24, 8 will go into 8, those are divisible by 8. By 9, once again, we look at our sum of the numbers that we did with 3. And is that divisible by 9? Nope. And then by 10 is probably the easiest. Does it end in 0? And no. So once again, this is a cool little rule to be able to tell if something evenly, a lot of times people will say it that way, without a remainder will go into a large value.